In this video, we introduce the features that were added or modified in the SEQTRAK OS version 2.0 update. You can download the new OS installer from the link in the description. The update is also available through the SEQTRAK app. OS version 2.0 adds two types of tracks, synth and drum kit. The synth track type lets you use a drum track as a synth track. To change the track type, hold on the knob of the track you want to change, and the drum keys below will light up. The drum keys on the right are used to change the synth track type, so hold down an applicable drum key. The drum key using the currently selected track type will turn magenta. Let's give the new synth track type feature a try. The synth track type is operated the same way as synth tracks 1 and 2 and can use synth sounds. Please note that you can only use AWM2 synth sounds. SEQTRAK does not support the use of DX sounds for synth track types. By switching some of the drum tracks to the synth track type, you can increase the number of synth sounds up to a maximum of 9 layers. Now, let's take a look at the Drumkit track type. You can change a track to the Drumkit track type the same way you would with the synth track type. Hold down an applicable drum key to switch the track type. The Drumkit track type can handle up to 7 drum sounds on a single track, just like the sampler track. It is set to step sequencer mode by default. You can allocate each drum sound to the 7 synth keys and change the sounds as you like. Although using the synth track type reduces the number of drum tracks that can handle drum sounds, you can make up for this by using the Drumkit track type. OS version 2.0 expands bar length button functionality to include drum tracks. In previous versions, you had to use the page button to change the length of drum track patterns. OS version 2.0 lets you change the length of drum track patterns with the bar length button as well. In OS version 2.0, you can adjust parameters by holding down the button and turning the All knob. Parameters for the volume, page, scale, octave, key, BPM, and swing buttons can be adjusted by rotating the All knob while pushing the relevant button. This makes it easier to make more detailed adjustments of parameters and adjust parameters to create dramatic changes. The SEQTRAK app was also updated in line with the OS version 2.0 update. Here are some of its new features. New track types. Drum kit and synth track types can also be controlled from the app. Enhanced backup function. In addition to backing up project files, you can now back up user sound files as well. When updating to OS version 2.0, we recommend updating the app as well. For details, see the download page on our website. Have fun making music with SEQTRAK, now even more powerful with the new OS.